teacher's losing balance. Yeah. That's that rum. Yeah. Alright. What's your shoes, Johnny? Oh, Lord. Johnny, yeah. Of course, we did. Yeah. We're going to play ball now? Yeah. Hips. Janet, tell Judith how important for the Janet left her shoes. Now she gonna get her shoes. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So check. Right here is a hip movement, right? 1, 2, press your hip. No. The 3, you gotta step out. Like the way we do the exit of the womb. Okay. 1, 2, put your hip, control, yeah. Put your hip, stop. See, I'm pushing. Yes, I'm pushing back. More. Push. Yes. Push. Yes. Push. And then I can finish right here. Makes sense, right? So that's just a hit. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, position, normal. I'm going to be stepping normal. And then I go 5, hip, yes. Against mine. Down. 5, continuous. 5, yes. And then we step. If I don't do that, you just continue again. If I don't do that, you just continue stepping. Exactly. You already know that. Again, hip. 5. Press. 5. Press. 5. Press. 5. Don't forget to put the weight. Full weight on. Again, tap, close. Close, don't expect anything. Yeah. Close again. Hip, 5. Hip, 5. Hip, 5. Close. Continue. Yes. 5. Hip. Tap. More hip. Tap. More hip. Yes. Tap. Close. Tap. Close. Continue walking. That's just a step that we actually put in. Continue. Now, remember when I told you, when you do the exit, Janet, please, let me use you. Yeah. Come with your Jordans. Yeah. No, just like this, Jesus. Okay, so look what Janet is doing right here, okay? Janet, come on now, make me look good, okay? Yeah. So right here, she continue and step. Continue, hips. And then she continue and step. There you go. All right, good? All right, so there you go. All right, so now make sure that you do your hips on the side. Right here, exactly. Now, your body, don't stay like this. Yeah. Go right here. This is a lean back position, okay? Don't lean. Just normally straight body, and you exactly put your hip back. And then right here, continue. Exactly. Close. Yeah, we go from one move to the next one. You're doing fine. Yeah, just a little bit of more hips. And then we do Judith first video, okay?
5, 6,
she's getting. She said she's jumping. Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 1,
Don't let her forget about everything. And let's do our first dance, Judith, okay? Let's do our first dance, yeah. So that way you're going to be just fine, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, forget it. Yeah. It's our first class, Janet. Yeah. Oh, my, I remember Janet first class. Oh, my God. Yeah. You know what, Judith? Janet first class, she kept a limp. Yeah, but she came with a chronic limp. She couldn't move this leg. Yeah. And we have to do the whole class like, oh my God, yeah. She's a comedian. She's a comedian. I'm sorry, man. She cracked me up the whole lesson, though. Yeah. Okay, Judith, this is your first video, okay? Your first video, what you want to do? You want to go to the classes. Of course, we have them on Facebook, on YouTube. No, we will. Oh, yeah, we will. You're looking too good, all right? How the heck do you know about the classes, okay? So, yeah. There you go. You're doing fine, okay? You're doing fine, all right? But remove this mask, please. Yeah, we're not doing with the mask. Yeah, you look too good to be having a mask on. Let's go. First class ever. Huh? Don't worry, me too. I'm sick in the head. All right? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Take your time. Forget about everything. Just dance. There you go, girl. There you go, man. Yeah. There you go. Now, start with Johnny right now, alright? Yeah. Johnny, let me see what she's gonna do right now.